President William RUTO NIWAWETA kana MUUTIA wa UALYUKU wa Nzeve ndi YONTHE ni uwo UTAVITHIKA na ILEMBETA ya AFRIKA YIENDEEYE KUKUNIKA kila MUTHENYA kwa KILUNGU KINENE. President na ula wa viungo ekomano ya Umbano wa Uvinduku umuthi gikalo chambe vyu cha AFRIKA ya maundu ma kana maundu ano MUUTIA wa Nzeve chale kila kiende nyumbani ya mbumbanio ya KICC musini wa Ilovi na kila kietete vamwe mbe wa andu ngili miongo ili aweta kana nikitumi niki vala AFRIKA yende na kuwakitana na munyao na nzambi ingi vala wenda ndisia ILEMBETA yi ya AFRIKA kukwata na kieleloni kimwe kinene kwaka AFRIKA na kusobia enendi na maukono MUUTIA wa Nzeve. Benjamin Mwaka ni livota wetu kuma kauntini ya Ilovi ni wakutuvingu ya vilingi wa mauvo na ilivote.
President William RUTO na ulo atongwesya ndongoi sya ILEMBETA ya Afrika na malembeta ange kuvikwa Umbano wambe vyo wa Afrika wa maundu MUUTIA wa Nzeve. Undumwe na mawithi uluko nuwathingila vato wa kuete wena nuki ngwatanio ndinwa ndamboka sya nthimwe kuthienge moloto ula wa weta nuyumbanite kuthukumithia mustali nwambe maunduni ma mavalua ma visa.
Allow me to welcome you home. And in a few months, we are having a conversation as Kenyans. In a few months, we are seriously considering abolishing any visa requirement because it is unfair to ask anybody coming home for visa.
Dr. RUTO ni wenda ndongo isi ILEMBETA ye kukwata na vamwe kukutana na UALYUKU wa Nzeve. Nokana kuikethia unuanzia wa ILEMBETA ye ne mosoveku.
Since 1961, Africa has witnessed a 1/3 reduction in agricultural productivity due to climate change. A stark reminder of the urgent need for adaptation.
Wakulia ndongo isi Afrika kutumia thina UALYUKU wa mawithi uluko kulengana mausungio ma kutoyulwa undu wa kutethesya nthi sionthe kwa ilia mawithi uluko mo kwisila mwaki utewa kwananga Nzeve.
For a very long time we have looked at this as a problem. It is time we flipped and looked at it from the other side. There are opportunities, immense opportunities as well. And that is why we are not here to catalogue grievances and list problems. We are here to scrutinize ideas, assess perspectives, so that we can unlock solutions.
Kuana na President RUTO ni kana ILEMBETA hivi na uthui mwingi. Ithe kanene metito mingi ona mavia malato. Uthui ula kwisila ngwatanio utona kunenga Afrika mali na ona kutethesya nthi syanzo ILEMBETA yiki vya sala kiutuika wa matukwa na kiuthukumi maunduni ma mawithi uluko.
The continent has enough potential to be entirely self-sufficient with the mixture of wind, solar, geothermal, sustainable biomass, and hydropower. In Africa, we can be a green industrial hub that helps other regions achieve their net zero strategies by 2050.
Umbano na ula wambia kwe umundi vamusini Ilovi hukathela kwe wakatatu. Na uvanie kudena nsianziamba ilusi Afrika kwa ilia mawithi uluko mayo. Vamwe na kumanda Ilovia siya kusesea milati ya kusiya UALYUKU wa Nzeve.
What we experienced last year and the beginning of this year has been a good example that food security and climate change became quite devastating and reversed all efforts in terms of poverty reduction and even fighting inequality, and even introduced the dimension of civil conflicts because of fight for natural resources.
In the financial year 2023-2024, the counties have cumulatively allocated from their development budgets an approximate 3 billion shillings, public funds supplemented by other additional financing from development partners and private sources towards climate action.
The summit does present to us, Africa, an opportunity to develop and presents a new and bold vision for Africa as a continent with tremendous potential, abundant opportunities that can be used to solve the climate crisis.
The future is not just something to hope for. Neither is it something to merely wish or wait for. The future is for us to conceptualize and actualize, starting now.
Vilingi wa mauvoku wa mamusini wa ilovi nye nito Benjamin na mwakamu.